Hey, 912, you got all kinds of audio. Hey, 912, you got all kinds of mojo. Hello, 912, 456 Oklahoma waving hello. You're gonna have to calm down out there, 44. You out there trying to take control of my radio. Hey, 44, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. 44, 456 in Oklahoma gone. Hey, right on, 912. Appreciate the get back. Ain't no doubts about it. You're definitely doing some broadcasting out there. 912, 456 in Oklahoma with the waves stepping break. Hey, Jackheimer. How about you, Jackheimer? You still got a copy on this 456 break?
Yeah, come on, Jackheimer right back.
I was just checking to see if I still had any kind of conditions out that way. Jackhammer, appreciate the get back. Take care, God bless. Jackhammer, 456 in Oklahoma gone. Who was that out there singing in my radio? Hello.
I'll be alright if I had a day's job. I don't have a day's job. There'll be 7-Eleven out here in West Virginia trying to sing there, but I'm a little better than John Denver. I sing a little better on John Denver there, but not much better, but I sing a little better there. We don't have a daytime job. We just an overcharged night, Roger.
Yeah. Well, keep it on, man. You're doing pretty good. Ain't no doubts about it. 7-Eleven out there in the Virginias. 4, 5, 6 with these big waves in Oklahoma stepping. Alright, 7-Eleven, have a super fine one, man. And a better one tomorrow. 73s, 711, 456 in Oklahoma's gone. Who's that out there southeast of Pennsylvania trying 456 Oklahoma with the waves waving break?
456, okay, 456, yeah, found there, so we do it again. Hey, Sally Prudd, 711 out here in West Virginia, reading the mail. We got a copy on you.
Yo, 711, he's got a big hammer out there, man. Y'all boys better watch out for that 711 out there in the Virginias. 456 in Oklahoma stepping.
I wish I had a big hammer there, 456. Yeah, I did. I wish I had a big hammer. Man, one of these days I'll give me a big hammer there. All I got to depend on is this old laser pointer on a vertical side, because my flat side down right now. I need to replace the Cadillac right bad. But anyway, man, one of these days we'll have a big hammer there, Roger.
Well, I guarantee it, man. I ain't having no problems hearing you out there, man. You got that radio doing a little chicken dance or something, man. You got that thing a swinging. All right, 711, have a super fine one, man. 456 in Oklahoma, Stebbin.
Okay, you got a fine one out there in Oklahoma. That's what we like. We like to swing. Yes, we do there. We like to swing. Swing audio, no doubt. Hey, till we do it again, like Sonny put, 711, sit back and read the mail. How about it, Skip Land? How about that Skip Land? We got a call here on 22, South Central Pennsylvania. What's your name? Yeah, 156. I talked to you on 27 there, too.